Sapir-Whorf hypothesis is a linguistic theory that was proposed by a linguist and anthropologist Edward Sapir in 1929. Then it was further expanded by one of his student Benjamin Whorf.
The Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, also named as linguistic relativity. It means the language people speak influences the way people think the world. It influences the one's way of thinking or perception.
Benjamin Lee Whorf. Whorf claimed that speakers were prisoners of the grammatical and lexical structures of their language. He said that people are like prisoners of their language, meaning, the grammar and vocabulary of a language completely control how its speakers think and see the world.
Edward Sapir. Sapir said language does not completely trap us, but it influences and guides the way we see the world. Different languages make people see the world differently, not just giving new labels, but creating different versions of reality. The snowfall example. In English, we generally use the single word snow for frozen precipitation. We use different words for snow like falling snow, powdery snow, wet snow, or snowstorm. In Inuit language, spoken in the Arctic regions, there are many different words for snow, depending on its form, use, or condition. For example, one word for snow falling from the sky, another for snow lying on the ground, another for packed snow, good for building igloos, another for slushy snow, another for drifting snow.
Linguistic determinism.
Linguistic determinism states that language defines a person's thinking and perception world. Says, language determines thought.
Linguistic relativism.
Linguistic relativism says language can influence cognition and perception but does not define it. Says, language influences thought, but does not trap it.